If you claim you want me, it ain't no whip.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing on this new ring light that I got for literally under $30. It was literally $27.99 and it's pretty big. It's about 10 inches I believe, but I'm gonna get into the specs as soon as we get into this opening. It came through Amazon, of course. This is what the box looks like. The company I got this from on Amazon is called Aixpi. I really don't know, but I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. And this is their 10-inch LED ring light. Again, it was $27. It is said to come with a phone mount and I believe a desk tripod, which I need. So yeah, so in the inside, it comes with this. So I know it's dark, but I'm trying to show you what the paper looks like on the inside. Basically, on the front, it's just saying what it is. It comes with this little serial code that I'm not really sure what it's for. And then on the back, it's giving instructions on how to put it together. This is what the inside looks like. This is a piece of the phone mount. These are the legs for the desk tripod. This is the actual ring light. It's 10 inches again. And this is the mount for the tripod. So now that everything's out of the box, I'm going to be assembling it. So this is the little, I guess the stand, if you can see it. So it's just gonna screw on easily, I believe. I have a hair tripod and it kind of did the same thing, so I'm assuming this is how it goes. It looks really easy. And then you wanna, there. So I don't know if that was in frame, but all I did was screw this piece onto this piece. And there. So then I'm going to put, this is the ring light. We're gonna put this onto this. I feel like I'm doing this in a chaotic way. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. It looks like it's gonna stand up pretty well. It's pretty sturdy. Then I'm just gonna add the phone mount onto it because I do record on my phone, as you can probably tell. This is what it's all looking like. So the phone mount's here, 10-inch ring light, tripod stand, and it does rotate. So, and then it is a USB plug. So here you can put this into an adapter or you can put it into your laptop or whatever you want to use the USB for. And then this is the little remote that comes on it. This is basically comes with every ring light. I'm pretty sure you just turn on the on and off button. This is the dimness and the brightness of the lights. And then also the mode. So a lot of different ring lights have different settings. So it always comes with a literally white light. Then it comes with a warm light. And then I think warmer, but I'm not sure. It's like a yellow light. Like it's gonna make you look orange pretty much, like really warm. So this is how it's put together. And then this also adjusts. So the legs can be wider so it can be shorter, or they can be taller so it can sit taller. Like that. So I know I look really dark behind this, but this is just so you can see the light of the ring light. I hope it's not blinding anyone. So you can turn it down like that, or you can turn it, I actually like it kind of down. And then the modes, I believe this is what this button is. Yeah, so that's like the white, blue kind of light. This is the warm light. And I think that's the middle light, I don't know. So now I'm gonna show the difference from what I currently have to what it looks like with this ring light. All right, so this is what it's looking like all the way turned up. I probably want to turn it down a little. Yeah, so that's bringing like my color back in, not letting you look so bright. So this is what it's looking like with my ceiling light off. I actually really like this. Like, I feel like this is gonna look great for my future makeup videos, great for my future hair videos. Like, this is exactly what I needed. Definitely needed this. Great purchase. It was affordable. It was literally $27.99, and I bought it through Amazon Prime, so it came in 2 days. Like, I ordered this Monday and today is Wednesday. It was delivered this morning. Like, period. So the link to this ring light will be in the description box. It was an easy install. If you guys want to get this light, I will link it in the description box so that you can get one too. If you're a new YouTuber like myself, these are the investments you need to make, because I can already tell this is gonna make a big difference in my channel. Like, it's gonna make it look a lot more professional. Yeah, when the natural light plus the ring light hits, chef's kiss. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more, I will be doing more unboxings on my channel. But if you want to check out some of my other videos, that's cool too. So yeah, see you guys next time.